Hi guys, so I will be applying the Linx mini sensor for the first time. So let's see how to apply it and how to start it using the Linx app. In this, the sensor and the applicator, they come as a single unit. And as usual, you need to clean the site with the soap and water or either with alcohol swab. I have already cleaned the spot. So let's dive in. You just need to open it, and if you can see the sensor, it is already there. I'll just put it. See, it's in place. Now I'll be starting it using the Linx app. You can download the app using the Play Store or App Store. I am currently using the Play Store. I've already downloaded the app, it's here. I logged in on the app and there is an option to pair the sensor. I'll be pairing it. When you click on pair, you need to also allow the app to use your Bluetooth. See, it's trying to scan the sensor automatically. I'm not doing anything currently, and it has found the sensor. I'll be clicking on that. The pair is in progress currently. When I clicked on pair, the sensor has paired successfully and the device warm-up has started, and it will take 60 minutes to get the device started. See you. Bye bye.